Good evening, parents and families. Thank you for coming and welcome to Open House. I want to begin by highlighting a couple of important tools to help you stay connected this school year. First, our new parent calendar is already filled with many upcoming events and dates. Please remember that some dates may shift, but having the calendar will help you make those adjustments as needed. Next, I'd like to remind you about our monthly electronic newsletter. Each issue comes directly from the teachers and also highlights updates from our school. Be sure to follow along on our social media pages for reminders, photos, and celebrations throughout the year. Tonight's open house is all about your child, seeing their classroom, exploring their desk area, and meeting their teacher. With so many families in the room, we kindly ask that conversations about grades or behavior be saved for one-on-one conferences. Each teacher has sign-up sheets available tonight that will be the perfect opportunity to discuss specific details about your child. I am truly looking forward to a wonderful school year together. Thank you for being here this evening, and I hope you enjoy visiting your child's classroom.
Welcome to Mary B. Austin Elementary. Our Parent-Teacher Association, known as the PTA, is at the heart of everything we do to support our students, teachers, and our families.
The Mary B. Austin PTA consists of parents, guardians, faculty, staff, and community supporters who are passionate about the educational success of students and the promotion of family engagement at Mary B. Austin Elementary School. PTA funds and organizes school events, teacher appreciation, classroom support, art and music education, and so much more. Every student benefits when parents and guardians get involved.
Meet your 2025-2026 PTA officers. We have our president, Ben Stubberfield. Our vice president is Jason Crane. Our secretary is Lauren Fisher. Our treasurer is Sheila Teague. Our parliamentarian is John Teague. And we can't forget about our incredible committee chairs, working hard behind the scenes every week to make our events and programs a success. Membership includes me, Nina Dortch.
And me, Keegan McWhorter.
Teacher appreciation is Toddlin Grayson. Room coordinator is Mary Neal Cook. Your merchandise is going to be Colleen Smith. Special events is Madison Prater. Teacher liaison is Rachel Carter. Art from the Heart is Trisha Butts and Dalton Daves. This dedicated team works alongside parents, teachers, and staff to make Mary B. Austin the best it can be.
So why join the PTA? Because your membership gives you a voice in our school, helps fund programs that enrich your child's education, and builds a stronger school community. Whether you can give time, resources, or just your support, it all makes a difference. There is a spot for everyone to support our children in a variety of ways.
Want to learn more? Right after Meet the Teacher, join us in the cafeteria for a brief PTA meeting. Meet fellow parents, hear about exciting plans for the year, and see how you can get involved.
Together, we make a difference. Join the Mary B. Austin PTA today.